Imagine a face that doesn't just see you, but follows your every move. This is my animatronic face with real-time eye tracking, designed and built for a course project. EMEE 411 Mechatronics. Right now, as the system detects my hand in its line of sight, the robot responds to the thumbs up with the speaking gesture. The feed on the right shows exactly what the camera sees, processing each frame, detecting objects, and steering the eyes with precise accuracy. This fusion of mechanical design and computer vision is powered by interfacing Python with Arduino. It analyzes the camera input in real time, transmitting commands straight to servos behind the eyes. The result? Smooth, lifelike movements that create an engaging interaction between human and machine. Thank you for watching as technology comes to life. As I learned in my engineering inspiration growing up, always remember to keep moving forward.